Hey guys, I just put together these wired storage shelves which look really great. It was a very easy setup. All that comes in the box are these stack of wired panels. You also get a bag of plastic connectors. I started off by setting 6 panels down just like this. Then you're going to get one of your connectors and start attaching it to the panels. And you're just sliding the corners into the connector until it snaps shut. Okay, so this is where we're at right now. The next step is to add the remaining connectors. So we'll just go around and connect all the loose ends. And this is what it should look like when you're done. Now we'll start adding the panels into each of the grooves of the connector. And all you're doing is just pressing down and snapping them into place. So you'll go and add the rest of the panels. And this is what it should look like when you're done with this step. The last step is to get the remaining connectors and seal the front end of the shelves together. This was the most challenging part of the setup, but honestly, it only took just a little extra focus, so it wasn't a real big deal for me. And we're done. This is what it looks like. You can stack it horizontally like this, or you can set it up vertically as well. It's heavy duty, feels like it's going to stay together very well. These are great little storage shelves, and in terms of setup, I give this a 9.5 in terms of ease. I highly recommend checking them out if you're looking for sturdy storage shelves.